Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technology Glance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can not show news on Opera Mini. So let's get started. Firstly, open Opera Mini browser in your device. Then tap on Opera icon. Next tap on Settings icon. After that, tap on Personalization. Then you can see the option of News. Tap on it. After that, you can see the option of Show News. Turn off it by tapping on it. So this is how you can not show news on Opera Mini. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.